If you accidentally deleted some files or something else happened and you want to restore them, so here's how to do it, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a valuable tip how to control your file loss in the future. So first of all, we are to locate our My Files application. There it is. If you're using Files by Google or any built-in file system, right, you're to open it up. They all work pretty much the same. Now scroll down until you'll locate your trash. Open it up, and here you'll see your recently deleted files. Make sure that this file was deleted within 30 days, because if it was deleted earlier, or I mean later than 30 days, it's lost. It will be permanently lost. So in order to restore any file, press Edit, choose some files, and press Restore. Now they are restored and we may find them. So I believe they're here, yeah, and we may find them. It's quite easy, it's quite useful. Also, if it is a picture, the gallery has a trash bin too. So open up your gallery, tap on the three lines, press Trash. Here are your deleted files, press Edit, choose File, press Restore. Easy as that. Works pretty much the same, and all phones have the same system. So here's a little tip on how to avoid an accidental file loss in the future. Make sure to set up your automatic backup like Google Drive or something cloud. It will provide some safety for your information, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.